This is step by step how to sign up as a Paddim service provider, where you can offer a lot of services using the app. So there are a lot of services you can offer with Paddim app. Many of them are, for example, you see, you can be a barber, you can be a beauty service. You can offer beauty service like makeup artist, plating of hair, pedicure, manicure, all those around beauty service. Can offer massage services at home. You can repair phones at your own home or on the office. You can be a generator mechanic. You can repair home appliances like television, cooking gas. You can offer handyman services, something like people that repair, like plumbers, electricians, and the like. You can offer people install AC and mount AC, as well as you can repair computers in your office or at home. You can be a tutor. You can offer home tutor services. So any of these services you want to offer with Paddim app is your go-to app to use this. So all you need is just your government ID card, and that's all. So first thing you need to do is to sign up as Paddim service provider. So you click on service provider here. When you click on sign up, you click on service provider, you fill up these details, and that's all. That's complete. You have completed the registration to become a Paddim service provider. Thank you. So after you have signed up as Paddim service provider, the next thing is to log in. So you see from here, you see this is showing me that I have logged in already. So you see this icon here. You click on this icon to see your your dashboard. So from here come manage gallery. So on this manage gallery is where you upload the picture of the work you've done, right? So here you'll be able to add vehicle. So for this purpose, I have vehicle here. Let me add a new vehicle. So I'm adding a new vehicle as a taxi driver, as a taxi service provider. So I select the vehicle make, which is, let's I select Acura. So I choose the model, let's say NXZ is the model. I choose the year, let's say 2018, and I just put a plate number of the car. I put the car color, I say yellow, for example. Um, so you want to carry people that has handicap, you can click yes or no. Does your child have seats, child seats available? You say no or yes, depending if you have it. You choose a service. For example, in this purpose, I'm choosing that I'm going to offer driving service in Owerri. You understand? You want this to be rental, they want people to rent your cab, right? You can choose yes or no. And also, you overlook this one, this for ambulance services, which will not actually activated in Owerri, for example. Then, if you want to offer delivery service as well, while you do taxi service, you can choose delivery by car, and then you add a vehicle. So when you click on add vehicle, it will require you say vehicle added. See this vehicle I just added now. So I need to upload some documents for the vehicle. So these are the documents I need to upload for the vehicle. These are documents I need to upload for the vehicle to be able to get approval, right? So after that, if you want to add other services you want to offer, for example, you are a makeup artist, you're not a taxi driver. Let me delete this one first. So, for example, you're a makeup artist, you can choose my services. That you want to offer services that is not about taxi or delivery. So you choose my services or manage services. So here you choose the type of service to offer. So this for beauty technician, hairstylist, makeup artist, pedicure, manicure, massage, facial, micro needling, teach all those kind beauty services. And the good thing about this is you can offer this from your home. You don't really need to have an office to offer these services. Then you can choose a tutor. For example, you want to teach nursery school students at home, either your home or at the user's home. For example, you want to teach mathematics, so you choose the price per hour. your cost per hour. Let's say your cost per hour is 1,000. You can even update and say your cost per hour should be 2,000. You understand? So this I want to charge to teach a child per hour. You see, you set your price. We don't set the price for customers. You set your price and customer will book you. You also can teach in secondary school. You can set your price, let's say 2,000, depending. You can also say you offer health hostel service. You can choose to as well. So it depends on the category of people you want to offer the service to. You understand? Are you going to offer house help, the kind of caregiver service to um, um, adult 20 to adult male adult, depending if you are a male or female, we try to categorize it to for safety and security. You understand? You want to be do a cleaning service at home to help people clean their flat, you do that. You want to do babysitting for people, you choose the service you want to offer. Are you a barber? So you choose the barber service. You can choose how much you charge to cut hair with, let's say 5,000 for example. You understand? You choose if you for kids, you offer kids service, you can put their price, like let's say 500. That's what you charge to cut kids hair. Handyman services. So are you a plumber? You can choose that you're a plumber. You add plumber services. What to choose a fixed price. These are the basic price. You choose is it bath shower installation. You choose the price you charge. Handyman electrician. You add your price. Are you a painter? You choose, you add your price. All the services you have here, you choose and you add your price. So after that, you go down and click on update. Update. After you updated all these things, we require to upload some relevant documents to support your application. So these are documents we require to upload. So these are the documents we require you to upload because of what you just did now. So you need to upload these documents. After you have uploaded all these required documents, we'll review them and then after I review them, we'll approve it. So while we are doing the review process, we will encourage you to go to Play Store and search for Paddim Partner app if you are using Android. Paddim Partner, Paddim Partner, Partner app. So this Paddim Partner app, then install and download the app, then log in, and that's all. So come be part of our success story. And also, I forgot to mention that you also need to set your availability. The availability means when you want to work, how you want to work. So you set the availability. For example, on Fridays, you work between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. So you're active that time, and that's all. You set the availability. That's when people can book your service when you are available. So you click on submit, and that's all. This is now with us to review and get it approved for you. So I hope you've learned how to set up your account for a computer as a Paddim service provider. Thank you so much. I will share a video about how to offer other services.